Well, hi everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Koneski here. It is certainly the weekend, and I tell you what, we've got a nice weekend ahead of us here. Now, there are going to be a few bubbling cumulus clouds that may develop into a couple of towering thunderstorms here as we go through the next couple of hours. A lot of short-term forecast models hinting towards that 9, 10 o'clock time frame for a few showers and thunderstorms to develop. You can see where that batch of clouds is, and that's kind of the favored areas for a few hit or miss showers or thunderstorms that may last through about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then you focus on the chance of some isolated storms farther to the west out around North Platte, Ogallala, McCook, Imperial areas for a few isolated thunderstorms later in the afternoon hours. And there might even be a couple of severe storms that are worth watching later on today in those locations. They could last through the early evening till about sunset, and then I think after that the chances of precipitation should go away for the rest of the night. A nice comfortable night ahead of us if you have some Friday night plans. Most of you are looking pretty good. As we get into your Saturday, most of us will see plenty of sunshine, but once again, we're in this weather pattern where maybe an isolated rogue shower or thunderstorm tries to fire up, so I can't completely rule out the chances of rain. I didn't throw in any kind of chance for the Tri-Cities, but this model's hinting at some activity to our northwest here, so there's a chance. I'd say it would favor western Nebraska, though, during the day tomorrow and into tomorrow evening, but most of us will stay on the dry side. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, they do have a marginal threat highlighted south and west of the Tri-Cities for some isolated severe storms, a slight risk in far southwest portions of Nebraska out around Chase, Dundee, Perkins County. So not completely out of the question we get some isolated severe weather out there in southwest Nebraska and parts of northwest Kansas later on today. Temperature-wise today, we take a step back. Yesterday was a little bit hotter, not too hot, but a little hotter. They've been dealing with some extreme heat down to our south in parts of Oklahoma and Texas, 100 plus degree heat, even 110 degree heat in some cases. But that's going to stay to our south. With a cool front that came through, now we're looking at more the way mid 80s up north today, mostly sunny skies. Out west, mostly sunny, but again, a slight chance of an afternoon shower, thunderstorm, upper 80s, lower 90s. We're looking at mid to upper 80s in south central Nebraska with lower 90s in northern Kansas. Partly to mostly sunny, but again, a slight chance of thunderstorms, especially mid-morning to mid-afternoon. And then to the east, I'll throw in that small chance of an isolated thunderstorm as well, mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Next couple of days, we'll see those temperatures stay pretty comfortable, mostly in the mid and some upper 80s out there, perhaps again closer to 90 or so in the south and southwest. And again, I don't have many chances of rain this weekend. The chances very hit or miss, slight out there. Sunday night, we'll start to see some showers and storms out west in the evening, and then later in the night after midnight, I think that's when we get a better chance of rain and thunderstorms for the Tri-Cities, about a 50-50 chance midnight Sunday night through early on Monday morning. Then during the day Monday, the chances do slowly kind of dwindle down to just a small chance by the end of the day. Monday night, Tuesday looking quiet. And then as we get towards Tuesday night into Wednesday, slight chances of rain and thunderstorms return. That chance continues into Wednesday night, and then by Thursday, into Thursday night especially, that's when we get a better chance of rain and thunderstorms, especially that Thursday night time frame looking like a pretty decent chance of rain and thunderstorms, which may continue into Friday. And notice how temperatures cool back a little bit more next week as we see more clouds around and chances of rain. Those temperatures will drop back just a little bit. So pleasant weather ahead. Can't say we'll avoid severe weather, though. Still probably going to be some severe weather with these rain chances returning to the area here, but that's kind of a given this time of the year. So hope you all enjoy the forecast. Again, for most of us, the weekend looking like it's going to be a great weekend ahead of us here, and I will talk to you again next Monday. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Koneski. God bless.